Welcome to our YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB NTPC. Maori people are from which of the following country? Your right answer is New Zealand. Option C is your correct answer. In what place did Gandhiji challenge the do or die during the Quit India movement? Your right answer is Bombay. Option A. When was the first section of the Indian National Congress? Your right answer is 1885. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following salas is made from wool of wild sakin in the Himalayas? Your right answer is Sastus sal. Option B is your correct answer. Who is the chairman of the National Integration Council in India? Your right answer is Prime Minister. Option B is your correct answer. Which nutrition ingest the complex ingredient produced by other fossil? Your right answer is heterotrophic nutrition. Option C is your correct answer. Who was called Jadcast Plateau? Your right answer is Sandstool. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following sports are solidarity when playing? Your right answer is basketball. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following is the longest mountain range in the world? Your right answer is Andes. Option D is your correct answer. By what name is the International Reconstruction and Development Bank IBRD known? Your right answer is World Bank. Option D is your correct answer. The magnetic field lines within the periphery are in the form of dash. Your right answer is parallel straight line. Option A is your correct answer. What is the arrangement between the caste and the village community for the supply of small g services? Your right answer is presence system. Option C is your correct answer. Electric energy dispersed in the resistivity is expressed by dash. Your right answer is W is equal to VIT. Option B is your correct answer. What is the fundamental duty in Article 51A of Indian Constitution? Your right answer is 11 duties. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following is the type of precipitation? Your right answer is hail. Option A is your correct answer. What is the synthesized molecule using energy released during cellular respiration? Your right answer is ATP. Option C is your correct answer. Who was the defense minister in the interim government formed in 1946? Your right answer is Sardar Vallabhdev Singh. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following rivers is the largest basin area in peninsular India? Your right answer is Godavari. Option A is your correct answer. All synthetic fiber using raw material of petroleum are prepared by many processes. They say dash. Your right answer is petrochemical. Option D is your correct answer. Who was the father of white revolution in India? Your right answer is Varghese Korin. Option B is your correct answer. Where is the headquarters of Theosophical Society in British India? Your right answer is Madras. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following in humans removes the exudatory substances in the form of soluble nitrogen compounds? Your right answer is nephron. Option A is your correct answer. In which of the following country was the highest temperature recorded in the world? Your right answer is Libya. Option A is your correct answer. What is the article of Indian Constitution related to the protection of minorities? Your right answer is Article 29. Option B is your correct answer. What is called water soluble alkali? Your right answer is Khar. Option D is your correct answer. What is the name of that Portuguese explorer who discovered the new sea route of India from Europe in 1498? Your right answer is Vasco da Gama. Option D is your correct answer. By what name is the emergency caused by a war, external attack or armed assassinations Your right answer is national emergency. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following is called the architect of the Indian economy? Your right answer is Mahalanobis. Option D is your correct answer. In what from is there is a provision for the Finance Commission in Article 280 of the Indian Constitution? Your right answer is semi-judicial body. Option B is your correct answer. Jog is situated on which river? Your right answer is Saravati river. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following sports require a net? Your right answer is badminton. Option A is your correct answer. Which is the longest river in Southeast Asia? Southeast Asia. Your right answer is Mekong. Option B is your correct answer. The word jump ball is related to which of the following sports? Your right answer is basketball. Option A is your correct answer. Who can increase self-confidence in the training of sports, help to strengthen morally and act as a friend and counselor? Your right answer is coach. Option A is your correct answer. What is the address of honeybee? Your right answer is apiculture. Option B is your correct answer. Who was the chairperson of the first Parliament of Independent India as a legislative body? Your right answer is G.V. Mavlankar. Option B is your correct answer. What does the word divorce means in Urdu? Your right answer is marriage break. Option B is your correct answer. Which Indian state is inhabited by the Atmani tribe? Your right answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Option C is your correct answer. Who started the permanent settlement in Bengal and Bihar in 1793? Your right answer is Charles Cornwallis. Option A is your correct answer. What is the fragmentations of white light in its component color? Your right answer is dispersion. Option D is your correct answer. What year was adopted by the Indian Parliament for Industrial Policy Resolution? Your right answer is 1956. Option B is your correct answer. When was the new economic policy launched in India? Your right answer is 1991. Option D is your correct answer. When fat and oil are oxidized, then they become dash and changes in their odor and taste. Your right answer is deodorant. Option C is your correct answer. What is the maximum duration limit in which the Rajya Sabha can pass the Mudra Bill? Your right answer is 14 days. Option B is your correct answer. The Indian style of wrestling is also called as? Your right answer is wrestling. Option B is your correct answer. How many parts are present in the Constitution of India? Your right answer is 25 parts. Option A is your correct answer. Where is the Forest Research Institute located? Your right answer is Dehradun. Option C is your correct answer. Capital of Uttarakhand, Dehradun. How many topics are basically in the Union list? Your right answer is 97 topics. Option A is your correct answer. Which country of 2020 will be hosted by the Summer Olympic? Your right answer is Japan. Option A is your correct answer. This is our last questions of today class. Question of 50. Which of the following is known for the growth of a large quantity of grain production using the high yield variety? Your right answer is Green Revolution. Option A is your correct answer. I hope you like these sections. If you have daily hard work for your aim, you get sure success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day. Jai Bharat. Jai Hind.